the tomatoes on the other side. This one. And then let's harvest some like rare tomatoes too. Different varieties of tomatoes from our garden. We have an orange and an apple. Oh my gosh, they're highly efficient. I'm just are so cute. Pear. It's like pear. Pear, yellow pear tomatoes. Can I eat one? Yeah, of course. Mozzarella. The mozzarella. And the toast. I'll get and the toast. Yeah, the toast. I'll get the mozzarella. Also looks like a light bulb if you think of it. Let's put this. All the cheese here. We love cheese anyway. We love this kind of cheese. We gotta move it around. It's in one spot. I'm doing your pose. This kind of looks like candies, like assorted candies. Yeah. If you think of it like. Let's add some basil. We have some basil from here. We have basil there too in the garden, but we can use this basil for now. Basil from the windowsill. Super pretty and super healthy, you know. I put the salt. Right. Okay, let's put a little bit of salt, and that's ready. Now time to prepare the sourdough bread. I'm cooking down for dinner, and we have microgreens over there. They are like radish and kohlrabi. Our lamb chops. Lamb chops and eggs. Let's put microgreens on our eggs to make them colorful. Look at our microgreens now. These are radishes and these are kohlrabi. Let me wash this first. Here. See how pretty when you add that, right? Let's eat. Let's eat, Josh. I'm having rice with the lamb chops and eggs. Kind of like breakfast for dinner. I'm not eating a lot of rice. Josh wants to get nectarines since like our nectarines were all gone when I came back from vacation. Getting cod. Or like steamed cod. Chicken and watermelons too. Watermelons, cod, chicken, and then the orchid with this. Which lemon? This lemon. Oh, it just. Oh. Lemon. Tomatoes for our chayote, lemon for our fish, and then for the fish, let's add some vegetables. Let's add tarragon. This is tarragon on grow bag, on a 2-gallon grow bag. Some tarragon for our fish. It smells so good. My harvest: lemon, tomatoes, and then tarragon. This is child squash, and then let's add the tomatoes here. Let's add a little bit of liquid, and then let's steam. So this is going to be our like vegetable. I'm using Maldon salt, lemon here, lemon, and then lemon, and then tarragon. Over. Now you can hear it steaming. And our cod is ready. Ta-da! look at that. I like this steamer. This is made of high quality stainless steel, food grade. The components are waterproof. Love the color. It's cozy greenish. This is a new color that they just recently introduced, which is like super cool. And then it has a sensor, so it will shut off when the water level is too low. A safety feature that I really like. Now I can move on to whatever I need to do and just leave this here without worrying that even if I forget, then it's just shut off. And in 10 to 15 minutes for vegetables and seafood, up to 20 minutes for meat, we will have a nutritious meal ready. And then the dome shape, or like the tall cover, is to preserve the flavor and the nutrition. So the steam is going to go like up and then onto the side. It's not going to dilute like the food. So the food will taste like super yummy and healthy. Beautifully designed and super sleek. It won't take that much space in your kitchen counter. I really love this and I highly recommend it. The link is down below if you're interested. This is given to me by Biden. Let's cook our child squash. This is an extra accessory that you can like buy, and this is dishwasher safe. Look at our vegetables. This is a ceramic bowl, dishwasher safe, and you can buy this separately. Favorite ni ano to? Favorite. Oh, dami!
Hindi, para kung may tira. Mamaya.
Oo nga.
Gusto mamaya.
Oh, and then matchang. Yum yum.
Okay, orange is next.
Josh, what I gotta say, Josh? Hello.
Hi!
Hi guys. What are you playing? Hi.
We're playing with the stickman magnet.
Oh, nice. We have a lot of food.
We have 2 teams.
Thank you guys for coming and for bringing food. You're welcome. Nelson. Ano nga to?
Nelson Nursery.
Nelson Nursery. It's goldfish.
Yeah.
Lunch shopping.
I'm going to kidnap you now.
Hello.
The video. Hello.
Thank you guys for coming.
Oh,
And
thank
nice shopping, like lunch shopping.
Oh yes, next time again.
What's that?
You like fish or beef? No? You only take picture hả?
你係呢個係 video 嚟㗎喎。
Hello guys, we're at Starbucks after meeting up with some friends. Too hot right now, it's 93 degrees. Imagine what it's like in Arizona if it's like this here. Yeah. I heard in Arizona their tires melt off. Oh yeah, that's true. And some parts in Texas too. Alright, we'll catch you on the flip side. Good transition. Wahoo! We're here at the Americana. There's Charlie. Hi Josh. We just finished dinner with Daddy's friends. And I had lasagna. Josh, what did you have? I had lobster ravioli. Yeah, I didn't take video because it's kind of like we're a little bit shy. And the son is going to be an Olympian soon, no? His son. Yeah. His son was like super strong, like his muscles. All right, there we go.
Yay! Enjoy, everyone. You're welcome. Kingfishes. Yay!
Josh is eating the oyster.
So you eat sushi too?
Oh yeah.
What's your favorite sushi, Kuya Josh?
Oh my god. Yes. Enjoy, everyone.
Thank you so much. Take your pictures.
Josh, look at the turtles.
They're sunbathing. Huh? They're sunbathing. They're trying to
Oh, wow, there's a lot of them.
look under that.
On the side.
Under. Here, baby. This is a baby? Yeah, it looks like a baby. Or just a child.
We're here at Laurel. Sanay na siya. You said that the right thing.
What else, Josh?
What's one in like Cebu?
One is Cebu.
Have you been to Cebu? Not yet.
then the
That's
fifth?
why I wanna like do it.
What's the fifth?
The fifth, maybe like Barcelona.
One more Rocky
That's like the baby. Wait, look, it's Barcelona.
Visiting Daddy here at the cathedral. It's his 40th day. 40th day since he passed away. Today, he passed away June 28th. Daddy, we're here visiting you. It's all the orchids are still here. It's your 40th day today and we miss you so very, very much. I hope you are happy wherever you are. Are you ready for lunch?
Yes.
Spanish restaurant. You would like it? We're here at San Laurel. This is by Jose Andres. Thank you.
Yes.
Make you some room here.
Thank you. And
Peruvian scallops.
yes, I'm sorry. Thank you so much.
Green tomate on top of it.
And the sauce.
Spanish ceviche, here masa with lime cream.
Spanish beach.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Which one would you like to eat
I guess
first?
when you eat rich, the higher the quality, but the less the quantity.
That's so true. But anyway, which one would you eat first? I would like to take a video of you. Taco. The place again is San Laurel in downtown Los Angeles. Super yummy food and super pretty too. Yummy. This looks super yummy.
Salad, an octopus dish with nori oil, carcado olives, and stone potatoes.
Thank you.
What's this?
Oh, there's octopus.
But
The octopus
this?
potatoes. Those are the potatoes in the the.
Oh, the spuds. Let's
ham,
get some
ham.
spuds, huh?
The ham, like
Let me get
those
some
potatoes.
spuds. Ooh, spud.
And then this one. Oh, look at this.
Think about it. It kind of looks like an art piece.
Daddy would really love this food. We wish Daddy is here with us still. Are you checking the dessert menu?
Let's go with what you said.
Yeah. Oh, sure, lunch shot. Did you like it? You like it? We have a beautiful view of the Walt Disney Concert Hall from here. That's the music center. And then this is downtown Los Angeles.
And the passion and the mango is on the bottom.
It's in a coconut thing too. Okay,
Enjoy.
here's our dessert. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here's our dessert.
The difference between poor countries and rich countries is this. When you're in San Francisco and like you're a homeless person, there's a lot of rich people and poor people in San Francisco. So if you're a homeless person and you see a Lamborghini, of course you're gonna be mad and sad, of course, because you know that there's little to no people who are experiencing as bad as you have. If your life is like difficult, you have to find scraps and then you're barely doing nothing. But I'm not saying that it's poor. Of course they're kind of rich. They have one of the best militaries. But like in the slums of like a lot of people are struggling and like their life is not that clean. But if you're a homeless person and you see the people around you, you wouldn't be that mad or sad. You would actually be kind of happy because you know that most people are like experiencing the same thing you are.
How's the lunch, Josh? Yum yum. Huh? Yeah. Hi, Josh. First time putting gas on